We created SuperCream Coconut Curl Styler, specifically for curly to super curly hair. The formula is infused with coconut oil for curls that crave more moisture, softness, and shine. You'll love this incredibly versatile styler because it can do everything. SuperCream gives you total freedom to express yourself with your curls. Use it on wet, damp, or dry hair to create whatever look fits your lifestyle or your mood. To stretch your curls, apply to wet hair in a downward motion. To get a tousled, voluminous look, apply to damp hair. Once your curls are dry, shake at the root to get more body. To refresh a tired curl, apply a small amount to your fingertips. Smooth onto the curl and wrap around your pointer finger to reshape. Hold for 10 seconds, then release. SuperCream, everything your curls need, every style you want. Now show us what your curls can do. Post your SuperCream selfie with the hashtag SuperCream. Everything your curls need, every style you want.